in news just coming in, we are in fact getting pictures of a train that has caught fire. This is the Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express that has caught fire. We don't have any details available at the moment. We're still waiting for more information to come in. But what we do know at this point is that the Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express has caught fire, and those are the pictures that we are getting at this point. All right, we're still waiting for more information to come in, but as you can see in those pictures, it does look rather worrying. What we are told is that the Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express has caught fire. This in fact happened at the New Delhi railway station, and what we don't know at this moment is whether there were any people on the train, whether authorities managed to evacuate them in time. We're waiting for more details to emerge on that. The pictures that you see on your TV screens are of the Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express that caught fire a short while ago at the New Delhi railway station. You can see those several bogies on fire, and a thick cloud of smoke billowing from several bogies of that train, which is in fact currently at the New Delhi railway station. What we are trying to find out is whether there are people on that train, or whether the train had been evacuated in time. We do not have information about that at the moment, but what we do know is that efforts are being made to put out that fire which erupted some time back on the Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express right here at the New Delhi railway station. At least 3 to 4 bogies of that train seem to have caught fire. You can see the fire tenders are at work there, and thick smoke billowing from there, but we are still waiting for more details, trying to find out whether anyone has been hurt in this fire.
नीरज शर्मा CPRO नॉर्दर्न रेलवे सेकंड। अच्छा, उसका मीमो तो देखते भाई, मैंने मीमो यहाँ रखा हुआ है, मैं इधर आ गया।
Well, we are trying to get more details. As you can see, a lot of people milling around there near that train. Fire department is saying at the moment that no one has been hurt in this fire accident. That would be a huge relief. But as you can see in those pretty dramatic pictures coming to us from the New Delhi railway station, at least 3 to 4 bogies of the Bhubaneswar Rajdhani Express, which was stationed at the New Delhi railway station, caught fire some time back. They seem to be completely gutted, and a thick cloud of smoke is billowing from there. Of course, firefighters are doing their best to put out the flames. The good news, if we can call it that, is that nobody has been hurt in this. In fact, the train was stationed at the yard at the New Delhi railway station, and according to the preliminary information that we are now getting, nobody has been hurt. There were no passengers on this train. That's what the fire department is telling us at the moment. But of course, huge flames there that seem to have engulfed several bogies of that train, and firefighters are doing their best to put out those flames, and thick smoke billowing from there. But like we said, what would come as huge relief is that no one was on the train at the time when it caught fire. It it is in fact stationed at the yard at the New Delhi railway station. There were no passengers on it, and therefore thankfully no one has been hurt. But as you can see, it does look like a massive fire because huge balls of flames really seem to be emanating from there, and firefighters doing their best to douse those flames.
पहले इंसिडेंस हुआ है। इसमें ये वॉशिंग लाइन होती है जो कोचेस के मेंटेनेंस के लिए होती है। इसमें हमारे 2 कोचेस के रेक खड़े थे, जिसमें एक भुवनेश्वर राजधानी के 2 कोचेस में आग लगी थी। शुरुआत जो हुई थी फर्स्ट एसी से हुई थी और साथ में उसका सेकंड एसी भी जला था, और उसी के साथ वाली लाइन में सियालदह राजधानी थी जिसके 4 कोचेस ने आग पकड़ी थी, जिसमें एक पेंट्री कार थी, 2 सेकंड एसी कोचेस थे और एक फर्स्ट एसी था। तो टोटल 6 कोचेस अफेक्ट हुए हैं। यहाँ पर रेलवे स्टाफ अवेलेबल था, उसने अपनी मेहनत से फटाफट बाकी जो कोचेज है उनको आइसोलेट कर दिया, गाड़ी से हटा दिया, जिससे आगे नहीं बढ़ी आग। और फायर ब्रिगेड बुला ली गई थी और पुलिस भी पहुंच गई थी। रेलवे स्टाफ, पुलिस और फायर ब्रिगेड इन्होंने मिलकर आग को काबू में कर लिया है। कुछ समय के लिए यहाँ पर जो हमारी विद्युत सप्लाई होती है वो रोकी गई थी, अब उसको शुरू कर दिया गया है, जिससे नई दिल्ली में जो गाड़ियों का संचालन है वो शुरू हो गया है। कुछ गाड़ियां इसमें रुकी थी क्योंकि कुछ समय तक जो टीआरडी लाइन है इसकी सप्लाई, ओएचसी की सप्लाई बंद कर दी गई थी, लेकिन अब वो शुरू हो गई है, गाड़ियां उसमें चलने लगी हैं। और इसके लिए जो हमारे महाप्रबंधक हैं उत्तर रेलवे के, उन्होंने एक सीनियर ऑफिसर्स की कमेटी बनाई है जो कि इसकी जांच करेगी। नहीं, कोई कैजुअलिटी नहीं हुई है। इसमें सिर्फ जो कोचेज है उसमें नुकसान हुआ है और वो असेस करा जाएगा।
कितने कोचेस जले हैं लगभग?
टोटल 6 कोचेज जले हैं, जिसमें भुवनेश्वर राजधानी का एक फर्स्ट एसी और एक सेकंड एसी है, सियालदह राजधानी का एक फर्स्ट एसी, 2 सेकंड एसी और एक पेंट्री कार है।